It rains diamonds on Jupiter and Saturn. I know that sounds impossible, but it's true. These gas giants have lightning storms that turn methane in their atmosphere into carbon. That carbon then crystallizes into diamonds bigger than grizzly bears. The only problem is that these diamonds are humongous. They're so big that they fall through the atmosphere at a speed of 10 kilometers per hour. That's faster than the speed limit in most cities. And if space amazes you, follow for more cosmic facts. And comment if you want to see more videos like this.